Welcome back to the channel everyone. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. So when we were traveling from Bikaner all the way towards Jodhpur on the highway, on the way we got to know about this one of the world's biggest camel breeding and training center, which you can definitely visit. And this travel talk video is going to talk all about it because life mein first time I had tasted the ice cream which is made from camel's milk, and it was one of the best thing that I did on that day. And apart from that also we got to see how exactly all the camel products are being made over there, and how exactly camels and their babies are overall they happen their training over there, and how they train all the camels over there. So let's start with the video.
In 500 meters, your destination will be on the left.
Hey guys, so now I'm at the National Camel Training and Breeding Center. This is apparently one of the largest and one of the biggest camel breeding center in the entire Asia, and it is situated at a distance of around 8 kilometers from the main city of Bikaner. And this center has been basically dedicated for the training and breeding of the camels. So as soon as you enter into the camel breeding center, the approximate ticket is around 50 rupees for Indian nationals, and if you want to carry your camera inside, there would be an additional cost too, and approximately you would require around 1.5 to 2 hours in order to explore the entire area. So as this camel training and breeding center is one of the biggest center in the entire Asia, you would be able to find around 4 breeds of camel who are basically trained and researched in this entire farm. First of them is called as the double humped camels, which are oftenly seen in the Nubra side, which is the Ladakh part of the area of the entire India. Second breed, which is found in Kutch part of Gujarat, those kinds of camels are also researched over here. Third breed, which is into Rajasthan itself, which is very nearby with respect to the Rajasthan sector into the Bikaner part. So the Bikaneri camels are also being researched over here. And the fourth breed, which has also been under the research, is the Jaisalmer part, because major attraction of the entire Rajasthan with respect to the camels is the desert part. And the Jaisalmer desert safari, which caters to one of the biggest tourist spot and the major attraction of Rajasthan, is being taken care in this particular research center. So apart from just research and training, these camels are into very well hands. As you can see into the video, they are properly taken care and very well groomed too. So this particular part of the camels are on the back side of the entire farm. As the entire farm has been spread across a very vast area, as in the beginning I said, you would require minimum 1.5 to approximate 2 hours to explore the entire area, because you would be able to even visit the camel museum, where you'd be able to check out some of the things that they are making from camels, and all the other products like milk chocolates, where they have a separate counter where you would be able to even taste, or even if you want to take home some of the milk powder and the milk chocolates too, that you can definitely take care. And also if you want to have some coffee or some ice cream which is being made from the camel milk, that also you can definitely check out. Hey guys, so if you want to buy fresh milk directly from here, directly from the camel dairy, the timings are before 9 in the morning and after 4 in the evening. So I'm going to try this ice cream which is made from the camel milk. So let's try. It's good. So that is it for this video guys. Do let me know how the video is in the comment section below, and if you're traveling between Jodhpur and Bikaner highway, then definitely visit this entire camel training and breeding center, because it is one of the world's largest camel training and breeding farm. So thank you so much for watching until here. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed it yet, and I'll be meeting you in the next video.